Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I make my Jamaican chocolate tea. Please share, comment, like and subscribe. Right, let's do this. Okay, so this is the pack with the chocolate that I bought when I went to Jamaica, and it contains 3 chocolate, 1 nutmeg grater, and 1 nutmeg. I'll be using 2 of the chocolates to make my chocolate tea, and I have to save 1 for next time. So these are the ingredients that I'm gonna use to make my chocolate tea. So I have my chocolate, of course, and I have cinnamon stick. I'm gonna use some cinnamon powder also. I have nutmeg. I have well, I'm gonna use coconut milk. You can use the canned coconut milk. You can grate your own coconut and use the coconut milk, or you can use the powdered coconut milk. Either one will work fine. And I have my condensed milk, some brown sugar. I'm gonna use a little salt, and we have our vanilla, of course. So that's it. This is 2 chocolate after it's grated. All right, so I have some water in the pot boiling, and I'm gonna add my cinnamon stick, and you know this little thing that come on the nutmeg, the outer part of it. I don't even know what it name, but I'm gonna use this part of the nutmeg because it's also added flavor to the tea. So put it in the pot with the cinnamon stick. And then add the coconut milk. Then we had our grated chocolate. All right. Give it a stir. And we're gonna bring it to a boil. Then after it starts boiling, we're gonna turn it down to medium heat. Okay, looking good. Cinnamon powder. So now I'm adding the nutmeg, freshly grated nutmeg. Then I add about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Time to sweeten, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we add our condensed milk and sweeten to taste. And that's it. Stir it. Alright, so give it a nice stir. And that's it. Our chocolate tea is ready. Well, I'm gonna strain it. So chocolate tea is ready. So we strain it, and after you strain it, make sure you allow it to cool. Let it cool down properly because chocolate tea is very hot. I'm gonna have mine with some tough crackers, but you can have it with whatever you like. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. It's snowing outside. It's a perfect weather to make my chocolate tea. I took back some chocolate from Jamaica, and I have it here, and I was planning to make my chocolate tea. I'm like, this is perfect in this cold, freezing, snowy weather. No, I'm excited because I didn't expect snow here. Well, the weather forecast said that we were gonna have snow today, but I didn't expect to see so much snow. When I woke up this morning and I opened the blinds and look outside, I was like, oh my God, look at all the snow. It was so white out there. I went to the back of the yard, I took some photos, I took some pictures at the front of my car covered in snow. So I keep talking to you while looking outside through the window at the snow. See it there? There it is. I don't know if you can see it. See that? Snow, snow, snow. All white. I've seen snow before. I've been in snow before up north, but it's the first I'm seeing snow here. I've seen a lot of snow before in New Jersey, New York, Maryland, Washington, D.C.,